Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of this Scarified tutorial. So we are moving into the sort of the main section, but we have it like a bridge. Alright, so in the first section, use your bridge pickup, alright, and here use your neck pickup for this section. So you switch pickup, and you have this arpeggio going on. Chords wise is actually just a D major chord, and you have a D sharp diminished, so it's a 6/7 5/7, and then you go to E major, and then E sharp diminished, so this one is 8 9 7 9, and then F sharp minor. All right, so it's this a power minor chord progression, but then he sneaked in two diminished chords to connect the chords. To give it more of a classical taste. All right, so the arpeggio, basically, they're just chord tones. Well, arpeggio, well, by definition, is chord tone. So you have 14/10 with you can do it with the downstroke, and then you have a string skip and on the 14/11. So pull-offs, all right, down, down. That's how I do it. You can start with an upstroke actually, because Paul Gilbert does a lot of outside picking. But I think it's okay to start with like a downstroke here. But then and after that, I would stick to outside picking as well. So D, after that it's D. And then you have, all right, 11, 14, and then upstroke on the D. So 12 on, I mean 10 on the top E. So far, down, down, up, hammer on, and upstroke here. All right. And that's the first part. That's the D major triad, arpeggio. And then you have a D sharp diminished, so just learn the notes first. So you have D sharp, G flat, A, and then D sharp again, F sharp again. So that's the shape. And you do it down, and then up, hammer on, and then an up here. And then a down pull on the 14, all right? So real slow, starting on the 13 of D, and then upstroke here, and then a down, pull, down, pull. So basically that's the lick, okay? So we combine the D and the D sharp diminished. So that's the first two chords, right? So basically, you move the whole thing up 2 frets. So E major, and then the F diminish or E sharp diminish. All right. And then finally, you end with this bend from E to F sharp, so that's the 17th fret. So the whole thing slow. 3, 4. Not very slow, even slower. So I just want to reiterate that it's very important to follow the picking pattern on my right hand. So is it down, down, and then down, up, hammer on, up. All right, so down, 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 up, up. All right. Otherwise, it won't won't sound, you can sort of do it with inside picking, but you won't get that Paul Gilbert sound if you do it with inside picking. It has got to be outside picking. All right, that's the bridge, and in the next video I'll move on to talk about the chorus of the song. All right, so I would see you there.